Today I am going to present the live analysis of the movement of natural gas future prices on inventory announcement. We are just 5 minutes away from the inventory. No doubt that the current inventory announcement is more important amid changing season when we are going to see the more warmer weather during the coming summer season. The natural gas varied significantly during the trading session today, reaching towards $3 level, an area that has caused resistance several times in the past, and it could be thought of as the beginning of the top longer term consolidation. The level of $3 attracts a lot of attention because a lot of fresh short creations is seen at these levels. So let us have a look at the live chart before the inventory announcement. Friends, this is the zone which I predicted in a 4-hour chart of natural gas futures for June 28th. So in this chart, let us have a look at the movement of natural gas future prices in 1 hour time zone. Here you can see that we are trading at the level of create fresh positions before the inventory. So let us have a look at the expected level of inventory, which is an injection of 73 billion, which will be compared with the injection of 95 billion last time. So let us see what the inventory has in bag for us. I find that the level of $3 is very important, especially at the time of inventory, because it will decide the future course of action. Let us have a look at the movement of natural gas futures in a daily chart, which I have noted in my last few analysis. Currently, the natural gas is trading above this uptrend line, and I find that if we see a positive announcement or a lesser injection than expected, we will try to cross this one. Oh, inventory has come. So inventory is only of 66 billion injection, which is much lesser than expected. So let us have a look in the 15-minute chart. No doubt that suddenly a downward move of the natural gas futures, but I find that still we are ready for an upward action because this is going to be turning into a bullish hammer very soon. All the moving averages are in a position to give enough indication for a bullish move very soon. Let us see this movement in a 5-minute chart. Here you can see that a sudden downward move up to the level of $2.986, but we have seen that a strong buying from these levels, and again we have come above the level of $3, and we are still maintaining. And in a 5-minute chart you can see the visibility of buyers and sellers on the announcement of positive inventory. Let us have a look at the movement of natural gas in an hourly chart. Here you can see a signal of volatility from which went upward and came instantly, it came downward, but again we have seen that a plethora of buyers were present at the level of $2.987, and now you can see that buying is evident enough to cross this positive sloping line. Maintain this. If the natural gas futures sustain above this level, we will see a short recovery which will result in a rally today itself. Let us have a look once again in a 5-minute chart where we are going to see the natural gas move. Here you can see that bears are pushing the future price natural gas futures downward, but the presence of natural gas bulls are evident enough to make their presence above $3. So you can see that buying is still going on, because in an hourly chart we are still above the 200 days moving average. Let us have a look at this move in a daily chart. So you can see that here a formation of this hammer is likely to keep the natural gas future prices in a positive zone, or I will say above the $3.47. We may take a sharp move tonight up to the level of $3.137, but here the traders will have to be a little cautious, because on Friday the EIA will release its monthly production report. If it shows rapidly growing production, then looks out to the downside, then the natural gas traders will focus more on production than the weather outlook. Today the investors want to see reports of prolonged periods of hot temperature in key demand areas, or they will lose interest in the long side of the market. My observation is that as the updated weather reports is predicting temperatures a little hotter for July 9 to 11, a bullish pattern is expected to be maintained during the upcoming weeks. So friends, here you can see in a daily chart, still the natural gas futures are massive fight between bulls and bears to keep it above the level of $3. Let us have a look in a daily. So in an hourly chart, you can see that we are still maintaining above the level of $2.989, which provides a strong support to natural gas futures. Let us once again see the current movement of natural gas futures in a 5-minute chart. You can see a lot of selling from the level of $3. Currently, we are taking a good support at 200 DMA in a 5-minute chart. We will have to see that if we will find a strong support at the level of $2.988, this will decide the further directional move of the natural gas. Let us have a look at the movement of natural gas futures in a 15-minute chart. Here you can see that we are still in a comfortable zone. I can see that a lot of fresh buying is going on at the level of above $2.988, which provides a strong support to the natural gas futures. I will give my fresh update tomorrow. Till then, goodbye. Let us hope for the best. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching my video.